In the last 50 years, sea turtle population has declined by 90%. This is partially due to the sale and consumption of the eggs. With their reportedly good taste and supposed aphrodisiac properties, eggs are still being eaten today. These and other human threats reduce the chances of survival of a hatchling from 1 in 1,000 to just 1 in 10,000, so conservation is more important than ever. The turtle camp, which was held on World Turtle Day, was designed and run by Ecoteer's Perhentian Turtle Project and was funded by Kaginic Corporation. Part of the conservation work is to raise awareness through education towards local students here on the Perhentian Islands. Tanjung Tukas is a very popular nesting beach. Bubbles Dive Resort is located here, and this is where the camp took place. Tom is leading Project Panu, a turtle conservation project, and was excited to host the camp.
We run a kids club here every day for 3 hours a day that helps to educate the youngsters. It's my strong belief that the way that conservation is going to improve is it's going to be through the younger generation.
The event ran over 2 days with 20 students from the Palau Perhentian National School who camped overnight at the resort. The aim was to provide the children a first-hand experience with nesting turtles who come to the beaches at night. Over the course of the 2 days, there were presentations about the differences between species, various games and activities about the life cycle of turtles, and the threats they face. Corals provide food and shelter for many of the local turtle species and are important to maintain the health of the reef ecosystem.
Most children these days very rarely understand that coral is actually a living creature, not a plant, and also their knowledge of biology of coral is very, very poor. We want them to understand exactly that coral grows at an incredibly slow rate, and so it's much more fragile than maybe they think when they go snorkeling and they accidentally break a piece off. If they break a piece of 15 centimeters of coral, that's a year's worth of growth. We started the patrols at 8 o'clock. We had our first turtle come up at 8 o'clock. The following 2 came up at 9 o'clock, and then we had 3 turtles on the beach. The second turtle did a false crawl, so she went back. The other 2 turtles laid, and in the meantime, while the other 2 were laying, another 2 turtles came up at the far end of the beach. Turtles dig their nests in different parts. The first thing they do is they dig a pit, and that is roughly around 1 meter deep. They'll then dig the nest chamber, and then they'll lay the eggs. Only once they've laid the eggs and they start to cover up and we've taken all our data measurements, do we then go and get the resort guests.
By introducing more complex theories via fun and interactive sessions, hopefully the children will have a closer relationship with the turtles and will prevent the human consumption of eggs in the future.